force on an inclined submerged plane. Okay. The plane of the surface makes an angle alpha with the free liquid surface. That plane, surface plane parallel to this object, that is makes angle theta with the free liquid surface. The angle is theta. Okay. So the differential force dF, that means the force on the elementary strip, that is the area of dA. In object, we consider the elementary strip, that is dA. Okay. Oh, sorry, the angle is alpha. Angle, inclination angle is alpha with the free liquid surface. And we consider the elementary strip, the area of the elementary strip is dA. Okay. So the force dF should be P, that is pressure, P into dA. So what is the PA? PA means rho g H. So here rho g is small w, and distance of this elementary strip to the free liquid surface is y. So pressure at any point of the elementary strip would be rho g y. So small. Do you understand this?
না স্যার বুঝলাম না, আরেকবার একটু
Y,
বলুন।
that is the y, the distance of the elementary strip from the free liquid surface is y. Okay, so this angle at the point O, the angle is alpha. Okay, so from the geometry, perpendicular by hypotenuse is sin alpha. Okay,
হ্যাঁ
y equal to L sin alpha. Okay, as y equals to L sin alpha, so dF equal to W L sin alpha into dA, where y is the vertical depth of the elementary area from the free liquid surface. Y is the vertical depth. Okay.
আচ্ছা।
So the total force on the submerged body, total force on the submerged body, we have to consider this. Once again, total force on the submerged body, integration of PdA. So here W sin alpha, P equals to W sin alpha into L. Okay, P equals to W sin alpha into L. So here W is W constant and sin alpha is also constant, because alpha is constant, the angle is constant. So sin alpha should constant, and W rho in
হ্যালো হ্যালো
স্যার মাইক অফ হয়ে গেছে। স্যার
Hello?
মাইক অফই তো। হ্যাঁ স্যার, শোনা যাচ্ছে?
শোনা যাচ্ছে এবার?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay. So here LC alpha from the geometry, this is the LC. So what is the LC? The distance from the centroid, that is the LC. Okay,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
distance from the centroid, that is the LC. So LC alpha equal to YC. YC is the depth of centroid. Do you understand this? LC alpha is equal to YC. YC is the depth of centroid. Okay. So finally we conclude that whatever may be the inclination of submerged plane surface to the free liquid surface, the magnitude of the resultant hydrostatic force equals the product of area and the pressure at the centroid of the area. Okay. So inclination of the submerged plane surface to the free liquid surface, the magnitude of the resultant hydrostatic force, that is F, equals to the product of area and the pressure at the centroid of the area. So product of area is the A, total product is area A, and the pressure at the centroid is WYC. So total F is WAYC. Do you understand this? Okay. So we have to find the center of pressure. So we have to find now the center of pressure. Okay. So Partha Kumar Das. Okay. Defines the point of application of total hydrostatic pressure force on the surface, and its location is determined by taking moment of relevant force about the axis 0, 0. That is the axis 0, 0. So we take the moment. So take the force of elementary strip, that is dF. So taking the moment, we can find that at the point 0, 0, L into dF or dF into L, that is the magnitude. L into dF or dF into L. So here dF is the Wy into dA into L. Okay. So Wy dA is L sin alpha. We have already said that WL sin alpha into dA into L. Then sum of the moments of all such elementary force. Sum of the moment means second moment. So we should integrate this W sin alpha L square dA. We should integrate this. Okay. So we first measure the first moment, then the second moment. So integrate this, we get the W sin alpha integration of L square dA. Now L square dA is I0. Do you understand this? I0 represents the second moment of area about the line 0, 0. Okay. So the second moment is equal to W sin alpha into I0. Okay, about the 0, 0. That is the moment of inertia actually, W sin alpha into I0. Okay. So if IP denotes the distance of center of pressure, that is the IP. IP is the center of pressure, and distance is the LP. So force is WAYC. Then above the 0, 0 axis, the moment should be WAYC into LP. The moment should be WAYC into LP. So WAYC into LP equals to the W sin alpha I0. Okay, so both are moment. So W sin alpha I0 equal to WAYC LP. Okay, so from the theorem of parallel axis, we can apply here parallel axis theorem. That is I0 equal to IC plus ALC square. Okay, so WAYC into LP equal to W sin alpha into IC plus ALC square. Okay, so but IP equal to YP by sin alpha and LC equal to YC by sin alpha from the geometry. Do you understand this? LP equal to YP by sin alpha from the geometry and LC equal to YC by sin alpha. Okay, and you put the value on this equation WAYC into IP. In case of IP, we put the YP by sin alpha and LC YC by sin alpha, and we get this from the equation 3.28, that is YP equal to IC sin square alpha by AYC plus YC. So YP minus YC equal to IC sin square alpha by AYC. Okay, when alpha equals to 0, that means sin alpha equal to 0. So YP minus YC equal to 0. So YP equals to YC. When alpha equals 0, then YP equals to YC. Depth of pressure and depth of center will be same. And when alpha equal to 90, then YP minus YC equal to sin square alpha equal to 1. So YP minus YC equal to IC by AYC. Okay.